Well, hello guys. I am getting prepared for a little adventure, as you can see. I got to fit all this stuff in my Classic, which doesn't look too difficult, but I've got a very large dog who is going to be taking up all of the space in the back, you see. So I've put my wonderful roof rack on, genuine Range Rover Classic, that is. Very hard to find. I'm also taking this. I don't know if you can see this in the... It's quite big, this. Yeah, this is going to be part of the setup. I gave this a quick clean earlier on. In fact, I may as well get this on the roof. It can't go anywhere else. Let's give this a go. Okay, that's heavy. Oh no, I should have put the window down. Oh, right. Let's try that again. Probably going to hit the P38 behind me. Dad won't be pleased. Oh, that was quite heavy. Hey Alf, yeah, you're in the back mattress. Get that in first. Nice. And we got the tent. I've got an enormous tent, which is way bigger than what I need for just me and Alf. Very nice. Got a little camping chair. I've also got a big Yeti fridge cooler. That could be an issue with the roof rack, so I was going to put it up there. TBC on that one. Okay, this one is, oh, that's heavy. Oh my God, it's fitted straight in the slot. That's exactly what I wanted it to do. Okay. Oh, felt like it went over something there. What was that? That is so locked in there. In fact, I don't think I need to take this off. Just access this from up here. That's fantastic. Also need to do something with this. Well, I could sort of strap that when I strap the rest of it, I guess. Nothing wrong with that. Well, got to fold this baby down. Very secure, this. Quite a good little thing that I found. Don't know whose it is. Never seen it before, but it was around the house, so. Yeah, that's a cool camping table, that. That works good. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? Water bottle, vital whenever you're travelling with a Rover V8. Yeah, so tomorrow we ride. Pretty sure that's everything. Oh no, the Yeti. The Yeti's massive. No, it's not going up there, especially given the fact that I need to put a load of stuff in it, food and drink. No lasting damage, which is quite enjoyable. This up here. I need to remember to strap this down. If I don't, then I'm probably going to get some sort of legal issues on my hands. Hey, there we go. Nice, that's fine. All right, so well, that could have probably gone better. Right, until the morning, I'll get my Yeti in somehow. All right, I'm here with it. Pretty much done. Just running it up now. Get the air conditioning on. Keep us cool. Alf's in the back. He's having to share the back with the Yeti, which is yeah, it's actually okay. There's enough space for him in there, and he can get himself a nice light refreshment if he needs one. Everything's lashed down on the top, kayaks on. I just parked it over here on the grass to get out of the sunshine, but yeah, looking good. Anyway, the drive is around 3 hours now, going up into Wales. Gonna get some sunburn and maybe some bites from some bugs because we're staying next to a river. Yeah, let's go. Well, we set off. I've got my walkie-talkie. I've got my friend up in front who is in his L322 TD6. Alf's in the back, and we've hit some traffic, as you'd probably expect on a summer's day in Britain. But yeah, things are getting a bit hot, not gonna lie. I've got one eye on the temperature gauge. I've never had problems with the temperature system, the water system on this, but you know, it's a Rover V8 and never say never. Anyway, wish me luck, I'm flipping sweating. Well, Alfred's now trying to get into the front with me. What are you doing? Slinker. What a dog. All right. Oh, Alf, you're getting all cozy there, are you? He's trying to join me in the front because we have air conditioning up here. Doesn't really reach the back, which is a bit of a problem. But it's getting a bit colder. It's we're rolling at about 30 miles an hour on the motorway now. So it's better than it was, but not fantastic. Alfred would much prefer the other Range Rover at this stage, I think, because he gets rear air conditioning in the other one. But he's okay, he's got a pillow at least. His back, I don't know if you can see this, but his back is still in the boot. So he's got his legs stood up in the boot and his front is over here. Not sure how comfortable that is, but he seems pretty happy. Okay, I'm having a bit of a moment. Alfred's decided to climb into the back on top of all the gear. What are you doing, boy? What's going on? Not good. Well, there's no Alfred in the back now. He just got into the front. Oh, what are you doing? Flipping hell, I'll have to sort this out. So, update so far. It's really hot. It's over 30 degrees outside. It's pretty toasty. The air conditioning broke, so Alfred has gradually moved to the front to get the last of what is remaining in my aircon system. I don't know if it's broken or whether it's just really hot, because it's starting to get a bit colder now. I had a bit of a run, about 60 miles an hour, but before it was just whoo, way too hot. What Alf, eh? Yeah. Is that Nick in front? Yeah, in the car? Yeah. Does Alfred howl? Does he go, oh, whoa, 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 oh, whoa, whoa, oh, that's such a good one, Alfie. Oh, yeah, don't need a horn with Alfred. I can just tell him to howl. Yeah? Yeah? Go back to sleep, get the aircon. Cool you down. Out of the traffic, temperature stayed bang on, very good. Air conditioning is sort of working again now, but not really. Alf's sort of enjoying it, having a nap, but he is leaning on my gear stick, so there's a high risk that he could pop it into neutral at any moment in time. But yeah, we're going to stop in a minute, have a little break before the final leg. We've got about half an hour left until we get there, but I need to get some snacks, so that's a little pit stop we need to do. All right, we're in the back end of it now, aren't we, Alf? Eh? Pigeon? We're nearly there. It's very warm. Aircon is doing okay. But yeah, what a beautiful, beautiful evening it's turning out to be. It's like, what, nearly 7 p.m? Gotta erect my tent. That's not gonna be fun. Oh dear. we made it. I'm absolutely knackered, I'm not gonna lie. Where are we, Alf? Oh yeah, down this track to the campsite. Never been here before, so this will be intriguing. Oh.
Oh, I got a jag.
Oh, lovely old jag. Oh yeah, look at that XJ Sport. That looks like it's been sat there a while. What's the crack with this fence then?
Once we've gone past the sales head, so they're looking for a gypsy caravan.
Hello, Steve! What are you doing? There's one fellow camper. Alfred's in the back with the Yeti. This is the spot. Steve set up camp in a different place, so he's now coming over to join us. Hi, Nick. Here he comes. Not bad. So, had too many beers, only 5 or 6, but it's enough to give me a little bit of a headache. This is the setup. There's Alfred in the shade. All in all, the Classic is a top camping vehicle, apart from the aircon, but I'm not going to mention that again. Yeah, pretty good. There's my massive tent. Tempted by a roof tent, but wouldn't be able to get Alfred up into that, so got to go for a ground tent. Classic. What do you reckon, Alf? Eh? Yes, good. You good boy, Alf. Yeah.
Baywatch.
Right, drop it then. Drop it then. Throw it. And... Good boy, Alf. Excellent job. So we're done with the camping. You can maybe see the Jeep in the background there. It's very warm. Got a fan on Alf in the back. I've done a rearrangement, which works a little bit better with Alfred's newfound passion for the front of the car. This is going to work a lot better, isn't it, Alf? Yeah, good boy. So, I made it back in one piece, with some fuel to spare as well. The air conditioning definitely, was annoying on the 2 hottest days of the year. It completely packed up. I've done some investigation. The aircon pump, there's 2 fittings on the back of it, and one of them is leaking. It's all oily, so I'm guessing that needs replacing or fixing. I'm going to take a look at that and get that working again, because the air conditioning has always been fab on this car, so it was quite disappointing for it to pack up on, when I need it most. But aside from that, brilliant camping vehicle. A couple of things I love about this as a camping vehicle. Let me talk you through them. Rear tailgate folding down, awesome. Fantastic working bench, seating area, stand-up platform, so you can get to your roof rack if you've got a roof rack. Second thing, genuine Range Rover Classic roof rack. This is very cool, very hard to find, but yeah, very, very useful. And this camping box, which I just happen to have, fits in perfectly. Strap that down, leave it up here, get all my camping stuff in there. Waterproof, locks down like that. Oh, that is epic. Kayak fits on there nice. My cooler, Yeti cooler, fits in perfectly lengthways. 65 litre Yeti, bear that in mind if you've got a Range Rover Classic. It fits in perfectly lengthways, which is useful. That stays cold for a very, very long time, which is great. Yeah, aside from that, there's no real negatives. Aircon braking was by the by. I mean, these things happen. Perhaps it would be better if it was on air suspension, because this is on springs, and with all of the weight and Alfred and everything else, it did start sitting a bit low on the back. Also cornering with all the weight on the roof, definitely you could feel it when you were going around some corners, and I was obviously driving very, very slowly, but you can still feel it. But yeah, can't wait for the next one, to be honest with you. This arrangement that I set up on the return journey was much better than the setup that I had going to the campsite. So I just filled up the boot this time, and then had Alfred across the back seats, and then in the rear footwell I had the tent just stuffed down into the footwell. Much, much better. Alf had the whole space to himself, which was great. So got to fix the aircon for the next one, and save up for some fuel money. But all in all, awesome. Brilliant vehicle.